Hello, mic check 1 2 3. Peace. Very much peace. Hello, mic check 1 2 3. Hello, mic check 1 2 3. This is Tiger speaking and speaking by me, and I am speaking so that you
Hello,
can hear.
mic check 1 2 3.
This is Tiger speaking and speaking by me, and I am speaking so that you
Hello,
can hear.
mic check 1 2 3.
This is Tiger speaking and speaking. Hello, how are you? Can you hear me fine? I don't think you guys can hear me. Is there any static sound? I am. Okay. Static sound. Show my face. చూస్తున్నా చూస్తున్నా వచ్చినట్టుగా డిన్నర్ అయిందా ఖానా ఖాయతం సిగ్నల్లో మెసేజ్ పెట్టినా చూడకపోయాను అంటే అదే రేట్లో వేరే కూడా ఉన్నాయి నీకు కావాలి అంటే వీ కెన్ ప్లాన్ లేదు డూ ఐ నీడ్ ఇట్ నో అంటే ఇట్స్ ఓకే షో మై ఫేస్ షో మై ఫేస్ బ్యాక్ టు గేమింగ్ ఓకే ఇట్స్ వర్కింగ్ చూస్తున్నాం అయితే ఏం చేద్దాం సో ఇట్లా స్టార్ట్ చేసిన సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద టీవీ ఐ వాజ్ లుకింగ్ ఫర్ slick deals. I have seen few in Walmart actually. TV. There are a lot of TVs for like $200, but we need to buy something which has Google TV specifically. 65-inch, 100, 120, 32-inch, 50. Let's look for like 55-inch. TV. ఇది 50-inch, 55-inch. Almost same, but a few like 5 inches అంటే 2.5 inches ఇంత చిన్నగా ఉంటుంది. As long as we have Google TV, that should be fine. This is LED. 44 Philips 55 44 inch 144. Uh, there are there are like other 55-inch which are a bit cheaper but comes with TCL 55-inch TV, LED 4K. So there is TCL 55-inch 4K LED. This is like the cheapest 55-inch. TCL comes with Roku. I do not like Roku personally, so that's fine. I'm thinking if there is a bit more, like 65 inches. 65 inches basically starts with $300. Okay, 65 is 300. I need definitely Google TV. There is nothing more I need. Okay, 55 or 65. Brand, anything should be fine. Wait, TCL Google TV edition. What is 4K UHD? Experience the incredible detail with 4x the resolution of OK. Okay. HDR. I might need to research a bit. They say it's Google TV. Let's try to use ChatGPT. Hey, who's that guy watching very sneakily, bro? 500. Okay, sounds fair. I think it's better to just close this one, close this one, close this one, so that they only travel using this bridge. Where are the trash? Where are the trash? This is way too tall. I'm going to drop the height. Still way too tall. I think this should be enough. Perfect. Who is using all my CPU? This traffic can be fixed a little bit. This is fine. Things are going good actually. What's happening here? This is like a shopping complex. However, we put homes. What I'm going to do is we'll create a road path. Where is the okay, looks beautiful. It's still way too loud. Let's drop it. So I'm going to create like a seaside. Yes, seaside view. Snap to all. Hey, why is it only allowing one icon? Probably because of those. Okay, we need a connection for this. I'm going to let them join here. So there should be a footpath. Let's also wrap this on. Maybe I can upgrade these. Hmm. I definitely need parking. Parking. Without parking space. Without parking space. With parking space. I need parking. Oh, this is 6 lane. There is another bus. Okay. So where are they going from? We need more services in this section. This dude cannot find what he's looking for. Not enough educated workers. Okay, high school. We definitely need a high school. So high school, public library, ultra capacity high school, 2000. Large high school. We shall place it Somewhere here. Let's see. Or maybe I can place one here and move the others a bit low. Cool. Now they would start developing quickly. Hey, where is my chat window? Water is being sucked in. Yeah, water is definitely being sucked in completely. Now the land value will increase as we speak. I see motorways and I see people walking. Where is this person? Going to improvement center. Okay. Why is she walking all the way from here to there? It's proven that these people like walking, so let's also build a few more buildings. Okay, done. While this is happening, I need to start building a new housing board. Oh, I thought to make... I can expand these from here all the way to here. These people need services. Attach them to the district. Okay. Who died? Hey, why are they going to the highway and then basically coming back? Oh, okay. We don't need people in this area. We definitely don't need people here. We can just put a U-turn so that people can take U-turns if they want to, instead of... Yeah, see, it's much easier now. Instead of that, the ambulance going all the way taking the highway, you can just simply take a U-turn, and they can also go this way. Much better now. Glad I found that problem. This way we can decrease the traffic on the highway and only keep it wherever it's needed. So where is the current being passed from? Over here to here. Okay. The water is being pulled in a weird direction. Even though the water is coming this way, it should have been just flowing in towards the east, but due to this being very powerful, I think the water flow is reversed. Yeah, it's mostly reversed, which is not really a problem, because there is no pollution in this area except for these. That's not my concern at this point. Okay, let's start office park. So what happens here is we need to have like an entire office section. So I'm thinking like a grid system. So what I'm going to do is, offices don't need to have like a big problem. I'm just going to put something like this. I'm god of grid. We don't need right next to the train station. Let's okay, now what we do is we maintain the grid. We just keep. I'm sure there is a parallel somewhere here. It's fine, let's just drop it. I know this is a bit weird kind of a grid, but definitely would work fine, no worries. Okay, now it's time to connect the piece. What I would do is, let's remove this area and we somehow just connect these. Not really what I expected, but so the exit should also be somewhere the same. I'll fix this later, but for now I would just, I know what to do, I know what to do. Take this one, select this, pull this here, and then pull this there. Definitely looks wonky, but trust me. Okay. double roads. Let's make it all offices. And of course we need water in this area. So I'm going to do this. Sure, these now would have water supply in 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, water is being connected. No, it should be connected anytime now. Either way, it should be fixed now. Not yet. Okay, sewage. We need to put more sewage. We already have 3. Alright, we can just put one more here. Okay, we have enough sewage. Okay, let us also now connect this area. Just like a few bridges. Oh, there is a damn train here. I didn't know about this train. We have to... Okay, where's the bus? Do we have a bus service here? Okay, maybe it's time for a metro. So let's drop a metro here. And we connect a train track. Why is it not connecting? Okay, probably not what I expected, but that's fine at this point. Maybe first I can just draw this and start building from that section. And we need another metro station. 1, 2, 3. Metro. Which one is 240, 485, 160? This is surprisingly cheaper. So what needs to be done here is we connect these two. We expand this a little bit. This should be one. This should only be one way. I think they can exchange tracks here, so we don't need like two of them for now. We'll just have one, and once we start building in this area, it should be much easier. So we need a metro station somewhere. I would say set up a metro here. Elevated metro station, elevated metro station. We definitely need elevated. Why is it not snapping? Okay, from here. Okay, looks like there is no connection to this point. Is the problem? Oh. snap to elevation. How can I snap to elevation? Oh, metro tracks and train tracks are different. Looks like we cannot use them to connect these tracks. In the same manner, we put taxes here. Low land value. I don't know how to increase the land value here. Why is it not working? Come on. So either I cannot put tracks. I have to only use metro tracks. Is that a problem? Let's see if I can connect now. The tracks are here. Connect. Oh, these are not connecting. Okay. That means I have to draw my own tracks. Okay, no worries. No. What? If these work, then I might have to fix those. Okay, now these work. Surprisingly, these work. Honestly, I think bridges would be enough, bro. I don't need. I definitely don't need trains. I don't even know if people are traveling here. No, no one is coming out. See, literally no one is coming out. Oh, there is no track. So there are two stops, one vehicle and absolutely zero passengers. This might take some time for the people to get used to this. I don't know what's that. Hey Umar, welcome to the stream. You seem new to the stream. Yeah, my channel itself. Yes, this is a game. I just didn't know what to do. I was running out of ideas of new projects or something like that. So I just thought, let's play a game which I like and enjoy. This is City Skylines. I got it for free apparently. I would like to connect these instead of having metro stations, which is basically useless at this point and it's costing me a lot of money. So I was just thinking to just let construct some bridges from these, what do you call it, this section to this office park where my plan was to have all the office. So this is my what do you call it, commerce section where you have all the shopping complexes, something like so these are all like shopping complex, pop soda, something, just like how I connected these things with a bridge where you can see a lot of people are walking. It's the bridge is filled with people. This is cost efficient and absolutely free. I don't have to maintain any bus services, and this is where the split happens. This goes for the construction site where we have all the industries, and there might be some traffic. What's happening? I did not expect traffic here. Let's see. Oh, this is piling up. What happened? Where is the traffic? It's right here. Why is it not moving? Hello?
Good day to you.
Why is it not moving? What? It's stopping for some reason. Just keep moving, bro. Just keep moving. You don't have to stop for anyone. Did I have... Okay, let's just ignore that and let everyone merge. Let them go. Right, thank you, bro. I do play other games. It's been a while. I have done some streams. I think for 2 months I did not post any live streaming and just wanted to relax for today. So what do? Are you a developer, gamer, game developer, or who are you and how did you find my stream? Now people are just going by. Why do we have people crossing roads? I don't want them to cross roads here, especially when they have the bridge. They can just walk up to here and cross it. Now the traffic is moved a little bit at least. If we have some more time, and they will just keep moving. I see a problem here. Yeah, these trucks are slowing down. We can see people are parking their vehicles and just dropping and in order to come to this way. And so I understand they really need like a parking section. So let's just put that one right here. So this would increase the happiness and they can just simply park their vehicles instead of stopping. Much better. They'll park their vehicles, they will walk, and they will just reach this point. I know this is a bit ugly. I can make it pretty soon. Okay, in the same way, instead of this damn metro, I will. Someone is complaining about water. Oh no 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 no! I set it as industries. I don't need no industries. I don't want industries in this place. No, sorry. I had enough industries now. I need offices. But how can I select offices? Yes, this one. That's where the issues was. We need offices. Yeah, I'm just a student and just finished my Python lecture and see your stream. And I also do vibe code. I already built like 40 medium and 40 medium or say like personal use tool. I build all my tools for myself. You seeing that Relangi Mamba? That's the bot I built, which handles all a lot more in my stream. It gives you points. It analyzes everything what you do in my stream. There are commands which you can try. I have done a lot of other projects like my own expense manager, which has AI and it takes my receipts. It also synchronizes with my bank account and like does all the transactions. I can just show it to you. So spendify.blazingmain.com. I forgot my. Let me. This is my streaming profile. Let me go to my original one. So this is my expense manager, fully written by me. It has all the transactions for my bank accounts. It can also handle receipts, so that is also automated. Let's say I went to Walmart and buy some products like plain yogurt, avocados, sweet corn. All these are like synchronized every once a week. Obviously, like, how can I stop the music for a while? Okay. The thing is, like, we need to synchronize with bank accounts, and that might take some time. And I pay like $1.5 a month to let my all like bank accounts to my application. This way, which is much easier instead of me manually importing the bank statements. And it basically it has all the charts and everything which I basically want. I have been using a lot of let's say like monthly flow and like outflow. What are my frequent purchase payments? And when I click this, I can see more transactions. There is items is basically the each individual product which I buy from the grocery store. There are a lot of expense trackers already on the internet, but this one is a step deeper than that. It tracks what you buy from the stores. Like cheese spread, great value non yogurt. So in this way I can see like what are the products which I buy frequently. We can see freshness, like chicken boneless chicken breast. That's the one I bought 3 times. In this way we can also see the prices. I'll just move it a little bit to the left. So most of my items were like from $0 to $5, and the expensive ones are like nothing for about 100. Yeah, I got a new car recently that I had to buy the foot liners. So that's the one which cost $80. But this is only for 2 months. But if I go and press all, the chart completely changes. Yeah. So most of the products I buy is like $0 to $5. So this is one of the project and it has like simple fin. That's the one I use. Yeah, I'm a software engineer, bro. I work for an insurance firm. I'm not really like a Google or Facebook or that big of a developer, but I'm a dev. I deal with bunch of different tools: React, Angular, Python, Go, Java, and MongoDB. What do you call it? Oracle DB, AWS environments. I've never dealt with Azure, but that's the thing. Hey, I also have my own stream assistant, which is I'm not really using that currently because I'm not I'm not really streaming. But where is my? I don't need two chat GPTs. Where's my GitHub? Oh, forgot to sign in. Hopefully my other account has things signed in. Even this doesn't have it signed in. Anyways, or else let me just sign in 1 second. So I have my own stream assistant which does a lot of different things. I'll just show it to you, but let me log in once. I don't know why I have to keep logging GitHub into like once every few days. Hmm. Oh, it says signed out for some reason. Oh, Anna, నువ్వు బిగ్ ఫ్యాన్ అంట. Big fan of your videos. It's thanks. Show my face. ప్లీజ్ ఏదో ఏదో టైం పాస్ చేసుకుంటున్నా ప్లీజ్ ఎందుకు ఇట్లా ఫ్యాన్ బ్యాక్ టు గేమింగ్ బ్యాక్ టు గేమింగ్ approve. Okay, request has been approved. Two-step authentication. Ticket. 823100. Okay, I got my GitHub open. Nope, nope. Start. Hey Manish, స్వాగతం సుస్వాగతం. So other than this, there was another Whoop repository. Goose. Whoop. Goose. I think this is the one. Yes. This has a bit more cleaner UI than Noop, but this has first class support for Android. In order to use the speak command, you need to type some message after the speak. Type exclamation speak space something. Oh yeah, by the way, I was supposed to show you my repositories. So I think I shown you the Spendify, that's the expense tracker, fully built for my use case. This is the Stream Assistant, which has 5 or 4 main use case. So there is a bot obviously which runs so that I can, you see the Relangi Mama, the red Relangi Mama, that's the one. That's the bot which basically tracks what's happening in my stream, how many people are watching. It also awards points for your messages. If you go to the YouTube section, give it a while, and you should be seeing this. This is Umar, and you have joined 22nd June. You have sent 8 comments and you have 7 points. Probably you have used Speak, that's why it has Speak 1. So it tracks every movement or basically every comment you do on my live streams, not on my offline videos. So that's this part. And then there is video processor. This is a cool one, but currently I'm not really doing much stream, so that's why it's being turned off. But this is what it normally does. While I'm streaming, it would record clips and edit them and also uploads it to YouTube. I primarily use Golang as a controller, but if it comes to some package support, I would use either Node.js or Python. Golang would be primarily used for managing all the instances in like Python and JavaScript. Let's say for the stream assistant, the controller is Go. That means the database, the backend, or the main part, which takes the. I think I have the diagram of what is here, but let me just show it to you. Okay. So imagine this. So there is a Golang the main controller, and there are Python instances. And I for this project I don't have any Python instances. No, I do have. Sorry. So Python instances, and there is TypeScript, or you can say TS or JavaScript instances. So the use case is differs between these three languages, but these three languages are like one big application. Cool. And there are few modules inside this big application. So the first module, obviously, listening to what's happening in my stream. That is being done in TypeScript, where it basically runs a Firefox instance in the background and it opens up my stream. It watches for likes, comments, who are watching, etc. That is done in TypeScript. This will be sending all those events to Go. Go is basically the big elephant which like handles database concurrency. Presently there is only 3 to 2 people watching, but previously few months back there were like 15 to 10. So it can handle a lot of messages, and this entire thing is being hosted in a Raspberry Pi, like the small 02. I have the entire setup in my blog post right here. If you are interested, you can just take a look at this. And I think I had the image of Raspberry Pi. Probably I might need to add it. Forgot about that. But this is my setup. Exactly the same. Anyways, that's the big part. And then comes the Python section. This is primarily used for the editing my videos. So let's say I'm talking something good. I can press a button in this screen. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Are you aware of the Stream Deck, bro? Not the Elgato Stream Deck, but the offline Stream Decks. This one. Hey, thank you. So I can press a button here and it records the clip and it processes, or you can say like edit the clips into like vertical and horizontal format. All this thing will be done in Python. So the job of Go is nothing but to just monitor if I record any clips and then send it to Python, and Python will go over the script, transcribe it, pick highlight sections, and then edit those sections, also apply captions to those sections, and then post it to the YouTube automatically. Okay, okay. Oh, I think the GIF command would not work because they have deprecated Tenor API, bro. Yeah, there is no such thing as Tenor API anymore. We need to find another alternate, but I personally don't know any other alternate. I think the last date is June 30. No, May 30 or June 30. I got an email that my Tenor API is going away. Yeah, 5 months ago. Yeah, this is exactly the email I got. Yeah, they're stopping everything basically, but I don't have any. Is Tenor API the standard Android keyboard for the Giphy? Yeah, that's the thing. But Tenor has a lot of good collection for GIF, even including like Indian or regional GIFs. The other APIs are basically paid, so I don't know what I'm going to do with the GIFs command, but we'll see. But yeah, this is stopped. If you need an example of how the AI edit would do, this is something like those, bro. So I'm really thankful for this one project which I built, which is this AI editor. What it does is while I'm recording, this doing is a live stream, basically the it demo of what. Parallelly edits the. But that thing is turned off right now because I know that I'm not really doing any interesting stream these days. Basically, for the last 2 months, I didn't do any stream, so it's turned off. It runs on my local Quen 3.5. Uh, I think it's 9B parameter of LM model, LM Studio LLM model, but when it works fine. Let's see if anyone has suggested any alternate for this. The only thing that hurdles me in the end is hosting because 20 to 7 running boss needs a proper hosting. What's your opinion about hosting? I host all my applications, man. I I have two streaming PCs, or sorry, one streaming gaming PC and one streaming PC. So I should have taken images of that one. So this streaming PC is also acts as a server for my Tesla Mate, Emic, file server. What are others? So I think parallelly like Docker, basically Docker containers and LM Studio or my AI server. Let's say all these things will be running in that PC. But I also understand. But the other servers, like the small one, the Stream Assistant, all these will be hosted or are still hosted in my Raspberry Pi. I should have just added that image here. It's Let me see if I have it. It's a very small device, man. Raspberry Pi Zero 2. I got it for like $7 or $8, and uh, with entire enclaves. The let me show it to you. So now it's like 16, but before it was very cheap. I Yeah, this is exactly what I got. Hope you guys can see. And then I bought for like extra 7 to 9. It's basically a bundle which is like a small case. Looks really good. I placed it in the coolest place possible in the house. Even that small, it tends to get hot pretty fast. So I need to find that sweet spot. Uh, I'm really thinking to show you the image of it, but I cannot find it. No, I cannot find it. I took an image of it a long time ago. Oh yeah, the pie hole. Yeah, I know that pie hole. Yes, I actually used to have another Raspberry Pi 3B. Yeah, the one which is like 2 gigabytes of RAM. I forgot it my at my previous apartment, but then I bought this one. As long as I have a PC, I don't really need a Raspberry Pi for bigger, what do you call it, bigger servers. But this one can handle my entire Stream Assistant, so that proves something. And also, this also handles the number of views I get for my blog post. So let's say this post got 17 views. So this information will be stored in MongoDB, but it will be what do you call it, handled by the same Raspberry Pi and the server for this written in Golang. Yeah, basically that's the hint. I might have other repositories. I don't know.
Good day to you.
Yeah, good day to you. A job application. This is not currently active, but I used it. Amazon Auto, not currently active. View account, that's the one which I just showed. Note for this was again like the old project. Xcali Cloud, really interesting. So, one second. Do you know Xcali Draw? I'm sure this project still works. I, I hope it still works. It should work. Let's give it some time. Oh, see, it still works. So there is a free tool called Xcali Draw. What's your biggest project you're so proud of? Like every dev has. I don't know. All my projects are like personal use. You don't have to delete your messages, man. All my projects are personal use. The one which I daily, like basically use daily, is Stream Assistant while I'm streaming. Spendify for my expense tracking. I have the app as well as the web app. Bane blocks. Yes, my Blazing Bane site. This is written in Hugo and uses Alpine JS, very minimal. I don't really follow industry standards such as like React or Angular for smaller blog posts. Uh, the one which I am really proud but not using currently is my job application one, which basically is like Dice Auto, Rabbit Handler, and Auto Apply and Job Email. These three collection of these like 3 to 4 repositories. It would auto apply like LinkedIn, Dice, some other job portals, and it would also extract the, what do you call it, the person who placed that job posting. What do you call the HRs? They, it will fetch the email and also send a customized email, all for free, running on my own laptop. But I got my job in 2024, and after that, I did not use it nor I updated it. But these were all like before AI, man. Before I had Chat GPT or something like that. But after using AI, I have implemented like this Spendly using mostly vibe coding the UI part and everything. It was like fully vibe coded. The Stream Assistant, it's a mix of both. The math part where I need to align the captions and everything in a certain place and only fit like 3 to 4 words. That complex math is done by AI, but the overall idea, okay, fetch the files from here, writing few lines of code, is by myself. But yeah, I mostly do projects for my own use case. Never really had an opportunity or something where we post it or contributed it to the open source. Haven't done that yet. Maybe one day, who knows. I'm currently using this Noop. So show my face. There should be another command for like thanks or something. Thank you. Thanks. Either I forgot to add it or it's gone. There should be another one. Huh. And yeah, you see the banner down here, the time, the like count, the viewers, the comments, and the total GIF and the speed. Like basically, they whatever the commands were used in this stream. This is all handled by Relangi Mama. I should have, I should have actions. Where is actions? Do I not have thanks? Says kiss. I should have it, but okay. Let's delete all this until this. No, delete them. Apply, done. Thank you. Thank you. I'm waiting for it to record my thank you. It doesn't record like smaller words for some reason. Show my face. Thank you. Thanks. I can just save it as thanks. Uh, I might need to copy it. Paste as show my face? No. Probably I just need to delete this and copy, duplicate. Thanks. And run this application with a parameter called kiss test run. Oh, see, this works. Press OK and press OK. Apply, done. Thanks. See, that works. Okay. Yeah, I don't know why I should have backed up all these settings. How can I back up? System bypass. No, 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 no. I mean, there are hardly like three options, so it's fine. Let's back it up later. Anyways, that's my things. Back to gaming. Yeah, let's finish this up. See what's happening. These people are complaining for electricity, even though I just had it. Unsure this would enough. Okay, let's plug it in this way. Okay. So this place is entirely for office. Do I really need that big of an office? I don't have. I only have like 28,000 population. One day you'll become successful YouTube. Nice to meet you. Respect. Oh, there should be another one called respect. Okay, let's add that one. Let's add that one. One second. Okay, it should be respect. Yeah, I understand YouTube. But one second. I want you to see this. Okay, it's respect, and I change it to respect. Respect. Previously, I had like actors or movie scenes, and YouTube was throwing me copyright strikes, so that's why. Cannot get the property of undefined items in no player index. I just saw one error from I don't know what's happening there. So yeah, I had to record my own face instead of using some YouTube clips. Tough pill to swallow. I don't think an office would be that good in this place. But, let's see what happens. We can have like offices until here, and then for now, let's put a lot of trees. These are much smaller. I need larger trees, bro. Okay, now increase the size. Oh, too many. Increase the size. Okay, also put a few other variety of plants. I know I have added a lot of trees, but as the buildings would be constructed, the trees would go down eventually. And as there is a highway, we don't need like this hard. If I don't have trees, there would be a noise pollution coming from cars. It's like here. As I have trees, the sound doesn't travel this far. Hey, what's happening here? How is the traffic? We need to make sure we are placing an eye on traffics. Okay. Looks fine so far. It looks red, but things would be moving quickly. That's fine. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. So now let's try to put a bridge so that people can walk. But there is no bus route here. Either we need to set one or this is completely unnecessary. I'm going to remove it. Exposure about your ready to expert. Hey, have a good day, man. Have a good day. Manish comments. Okay, there you go. And Manish ఏం సంగతులు? బోర్ కొడుతుంది అయ్యా. ఏం లేదు, నేను ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ ఉంటే చెప్పు. Remove. Okay, cool. Very nice. It's been a long time I have seen trains, so probably might need to remove this and use train tracks instead of using metro tracks. So let's update them. I just came to know that there are two types of tracks. One is train and one is metro. The easier option is to use underground train tracks, like pretty simple honestly. We can just try to have a loop inside and then place two underground metro stations. But I don't think for this population I need that big of a commitment for now. What's happening with the education? And let's go and build some houses here. Start from this section. Okay, and then here. So I basically give all access to building homes. Not a wise choice, but that's how it is. Any possible U-turns would be like taking them. Let's see. Manish, what's up, bro? Hey, do anyone of you know Whoop? I'm wearing a Fitbit and a Whoop at the same time to just see which one is better. I see. Oh, it's a one of a fitness tracker, bro. Obviously, Whoop, the paid version, is better. It's monthly $250. But Fitbit would be better because you only have to pay $100 once, and you'll basically get everything. There is another free there is another option which I'm using, which is called as a Noop. It's great. So in order to make it pretty, I'm going to put like water, what do you call it, these, so that it looks really good. Oh no, we need to put electricity, or else these people would go mad. Okay, and then why is there an extra piece of this? Looks very clean once everything is set up. Do I need this small island, man? I'm going to just landscape it. Oh, no, 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 no. Cancel it. No, no. 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 Terrain height, brush size, brush strength. Which one is the one which I... Okay, this one. Make sure it's turned on so that all the water would go away. I don't want any tsunamis. Okay. The water should flow back eventually. Okay, nice. Yeah, I know there is a tsunami coming, but it will go away. Okay, this way it will just... okay. Nice. Okay, we can see it slowly filling out, filling out, filling out, filling out. We need to ease out a little bit. Okay, much better. Now I can just delete this section. And basically I get extra land. Landscaping can be expensive, but it's needed.
At Manish Yapuri says, ChatGPT gave me a GIF API Clippy.
Clippy. Is it free? I mean, if it's free, let's work on that part. I didn't really put much thought into it, bro, honestly. I mean, no one is using GIFs that often. Okay, this looks clean, and we can just put some... what is it called as? Clippy? K-L-I-P-Y. Clippy. Library loaded with GIFs and stickers and memes. This is what I want. Let's see. Create API. Okay. What is the pricing for this? Replacing Tenor API. I'm the... I know. No. I do want them to, to work basically. But migrate. I don't know how to do this. Oh, that's it. Okay. Very interesting, man. Very interesting. Let's... I don't know which should be in Stream Assistant, and let's see. Tenor. Python PY, Instart, Media. I don't know which one is this one. Tenor Google API. Okay. Tenor Google API. This should be replaced with... Why is it taking this long? Hello? VS Code? Please. Hello. Okay. One is alerts and one is tenor.go. I don't know which one is which one. I'm going to just replace them both with this. Okay, that has been done, but where is the API key? Looks like we need to log in and get one. Hey, thanks for letting me know about this, Clippy bro. I did not really put much thought into this. Tenor profile, what? Tenor API. I don't really remember my Tenor API login info, but I don't know if it's with this account or with the other account. It's going to log in. Looks like this is not the account I should be logged in. I don't think this is the one. So, but let's say we don't need Tenor API. So, want to migrate from Tenor? Tenor profile. Upload the screenshot of you logged into the profile where content exists, or drag and drop. What? I mean, I don't have my own custom GIFs anyway, so I'm just going to ignore it. API integrate Clippy. API offering customize monetize. I don't want monetize. Localization monitoring. Get an API key. Let me do this in the other monitor just to be safe. Where did you hear about us? YouTube? No. Skip. Platform name, stream assist, website, waymail.com, YouTube, live stream, chatbot. I'm adding my platform and provide some basic what? Okay. Hey, this was much simpler than the other one, man. Oh, monthly active users, I think like 5. Oh, this is a bit tricky, bro. Is there any other application? Then looks like they have to authorize. No one will steal your APIs, bro. It's not that one. It's looks like I need to apply, and then get it. Will it going to be a problem if I use the testing API? Let's say I got the key. But where is the key coming from? I have the key, but I guess I do not have. Where is the tenor.go? If I change it, but I looks like I still need the client key. Create key. This is the same one which I did. Or else I don't need a. So this is your API keys. This is the client key to integrate use the same values for all your API keys. Manage content, API docs. Let's see how to actually properly connect it. Generate your key. API keys. I have my key. Bit app details. No. Request production. It's a messaging and other and social media. Or you know what? Let's give us my YouTube channel link instead of this one. Maybe, who knows, they might approve it. If they don't, I don't know what else to do. Okay, I guess I cannot change it. Let's say 10. Upload a file or video recording showing Clippy integration in your app. Be sure to include all the relevant screens and demonstrate sending a GIF and clip and something like that. But okay. Okay. So that means I need to test it first. So let's see how the API is. So it looks like I don't need client. I don't need client key. Go language box. Where is the language? So API key, GIF trending page. Okay, I guess I don't need GIF API. I guess I don't really need client key then. Hey creator Pranshu, welcome to the stream, bro. If this is a client, okay, let's see. API. Oh, I'm doing v2. I guess we don't need v2. Clip API, meme API. Hey, there is meme API. Wide range of world's most famous trending memes into your platform. With this API, you can search, preview. But how can I switch between memes and APIs? So I'm going to stick to GIF for now. So the API keys are basically this is the UI API key, GIF search page, customer ID. What are you building? I'm not really building anything, bro. This is just maintenance. Tenor API has been deprecated. In order to replace that, Manish has suggested to use Clippy, which he found exploring the internet. I'm just trying to test it. How does it work? Okay. This everything should be the same, probably. And from here, we need the API key. Wait, what? Query. Oh, I can just do this one. Why am I trying to? Or maybe I can just try using the Python temporary thing first to see how it works. Yeah, let's try this one. Where is my key? Expires? No, it doesn't have any expires. I don't know which one should I use. What is the C key and A key? I don't need client key, so I'm going to remove that. Limit is not needed, or definitely needed. Search term. So the URL has been changed to something like this. Let's try Python for a simpler terms. Response would be something like this. Okay. Okay, Clippy API v1, Clippy API. Wait, what? That's the one I have. Okay, I need to put all these until search. API key and then what else? Hey, this is not Python, bro. Just going to use this one. So API key is nothing but this one. Oh, there is different app key or API key. I think that should be fine. So search page. I don't know much about page. Per page. Where is the search term? The search is suppose fuzzy matching, custom pagination, and optional content filter. Try API Explorer. Okay, this might be a bit easy. I don't know about page, bro. Remove it. Per page is like one. Query, let's say excited. Customer ID, I don't know all these. I'm just going to put this one and let's say run. I did get some. Okay. Is there any way I can like see? I'm sure this is a GIF, but I guess that's how it is. Okay, cool. Did I accidentally close the API Explorer? No. But where is the API? Okay. Curl and write it in Go, and this is how it is. I'm going to forget that for now, and I'm just going to paste it here. Okay, this is the API key, so that means we need to put it inside. I forgot something like this. No. Oh, I forgot how to set it up. You know what? Let's revert this and parallelly do it. Revert this. Okay. So I'm going to copy paste this line and paste it here. So this should be percentile F from here to here basically. Percentile S, that should be tenor, or we can say URL, and it should be search term. Okay, and then should be API key, so that means this should be first. This should be called first. Where am I? Do I not have in Go? No, not Hugo, bro. Stupid. Go to. Come on. Set it to Go, and then GIFs. Search per page is 1, and Q. This is going to be percentile S again, and it should be. There's no such thing as CK, and there should be limit. I don't need a limit 2, so 2 API. That should be fine. Should be good. What do you guys think? I don't need tenor API anymore, so let's change all the wordings to Clippy. Tenor to Clippy. Insta alerts. I think it will work. Yeah, me too. Let's see. Okay, I got the Clippy URL, and this should be saved. I don't think I need this one. I got an error somewhere. I'm just doubting what exactly is the problem there. So where did I change? This one, I don't think I need it. This is just for testing. I'm going to delete the file entirely, or just let it be. This is cats. No. Insta.js. I don't know what exactly am I doing here. Dance GIF. Oh, this is just for testing. We don't need. You are just playing. I make your life hell by coding. That's not what I need more. This is. I just didn't know what to do for this stream. Honestly, I wanted you guys to join and then do something fun instead. I'm running out of ideas, bro. I don't have enough energy to do lead code or do something productive. I just wanted to have some fun. So give me your ideas if you feel like me want to do something, or you want me to watch a video. We can also do anything. I don't care. At this point, I have absolutely zero care. Stream or bot? Okay. All right. In our GIF, we are using Blazing Vein Gmail for this API. Okay, let's see. But I don't know if it works with. What do you mean by testing? Does it mean they allow it for production, or would they just? It's fine. Let's see. Okay. Review GitHub repos and portfolios. Yes, sure. I would also like to do something which like a bit different from like tech and coding in general, you know. But yeah, I can do that too. No worries. So we need to build the alerts. Let's go to the folder and open with integrated dividend file explorer. and judge them. Roast them, yes. Judge them, I don't know. Open. Hey, where is the terminal? Okay, not terminal. I need to open CMD. No, not working. Okay. Where is crashing again? Come on, Windows. I hate Windows. Close it. Close it. Dude, just. I accidentally clicked one icon and it's gone again. Okay, thank you. Close everything. I'll do it myself. Thank you so much for wasting my time. Games, not really a perfect place, but open it here itself. Okay, if you're not opening it here, okay, that's fine. CD, which F and LS? No, what? DIR. Okay, CD coding DIR. CD stream assistant dir cd alerts. Inside this we have main.go. Okay, that means we need to go readme. Where is readme? Yep, right here. I need to run these commands to build for like the Golang stuff. Manish, I want you to stay here until I deploy this and then build it. Okay, the build is done. I'm going to deploy this and we'll see. As I understand, man, that's the reason I'm not really putting more efforts, because the timing did not match. I'm going to definitely put more efforts when I, do streams on weekends. That's for sure. But on the other times, I have a Telugu specific channel. I just wanted to, do some time pass, watch something while doing like a vertical stream in Telugu. That's a different channel. I understand you guys also, it's not possible to wake up early. Migrate from Tenor API to Clippy. Okay, once that is done, I can just push it. I do not have Gitlens. I think I had Gitlens. Post timings before coming to live. For the weekend is like you guys would get a notification, I'm sure. Timings, I'm not really good with timings. Okay, let's connect my Raspberry Pi. Forgot the IP. And I will just deploy the newly deployed changes. So this might restart my stream assistant, so all the stats would be gone. So don't send any messages once I give an alert for you guys. So until now, you guys can continue the chat. CD stream assistant git stash. Takes some time. YouTube notification is piece of junk. Oh, if you have set it to all, I'm sure it would you would get notifications, man. I mean, I get notifications. I subscribe to my own YouTube channel and set the notifications to all. Git status, no, git pull. Did I keep running? Okay, I think I'm running this. Oh, I did not have any trash supply. Happiness, everyone's happy except these people. Okay, I definitely need trash service. I can put more trash in somewhere here and deal with that section. Should be fine. Okay, while let it open, no worries. For now, I'll just keep one trash service here. Should be fine. They would just deal with it. This one, change it to all within district only. Districts, office parks, okay. Garbage move within districts only. Districts, current districts, okay. I don't even get your notifications. So, what is the other alternate? Should I maintain a WhatsApp group? I have no idea. I have no idea, man. Oh, look at all the trash trucks spawning and heading towards this section. I might need to increase the speed of these roads, man. These are like way too slow. But again, slower moving traffic would cause less traffic junctions, suppose. Once they reach this part, they are going to like speed up. Discord, X, or Instagram. How would I post on Instagram? Like, hey, I'm streaming, but I have to delete that post again. Time to re-educate myself. There is no. Okay, you can see all the trash is being picked up. That's nice to see. Yeah, there is less strike. People are also dying, so that means we need a hospital. I'm going to put one big hospital here. What is this one? Life care hospital? I'll put one big hospital here. I'll put a crematorium as well here. And what else we need? This is fine for now. Just keep a story. Are you sure? You sure, bro? For some reason I hate to use Instagram, but again, if you guys are okay with that, I'm definitely going to do it. Are you sure you have all like turned on? Because even though bro is building GTA. Hey, welcome to the stream, man. You seem new to the channel. Welcome to the stream. Show my face. This is me, Blazing Bane. The Relangi Mama, that's my bot who welcomes you. He keeps tracks of your movements. All your comments, messages, likes, will be tracked. Back to gaming. Yeah, I do have a Discord bot, yes, but no one is using Discord anyway, so the problem is, firstly, I don't have enough community or people watching my stream. The second is, because of that, if I want to do anything, I'll feel like, okay, no one is watching, why? It's just a waste of time. That's what I feel. Okay, there is no power lines, so let's put some like power so that everything works fine. Telugu, yes, 100%. I stream in English so that the AI can understand what I'm trying to say, and it basically edits my videos, even though that thing is turned off because no one is watching. But yeah, we can speak in English or Telugu, whatever you want. Mostly wanted edit 00779. What should I call you? I'm going to call you wanted. Okay, ls. What was I supposed to do? I have done a lot for this programming. Even though I enjoyed it, I don't feel like a hassle. But I'm trying to be consistent, man. I can see traffic being built up here. Oh, this is going to be interesting. A lot of traffic, but let's deploy our bot. I want Manish, wanted, everyone who's watching, just yeah, I'm going to deploy it. But first I need to make it as an executable. So let's chmod +x alerts sudo system ct. I don't want it to crash, hopefully. Restart alerts.service. Come on. Okay, the bot has been restarted. This might take some time. Once again, let's give it just a minute. Let's also record a video so that the the tenor people or something, like they can see that I'm doing something legitimate. Your channel, I even forgot how to open my own stream. Okay, I don't want it to have a loopy, but that's fine. Recording, okay. This is not the one. Screen record. Oh, it's that one, right? Okay. Control Shift S. Video. I'm going to put like window. This is the one. Okay, let's hope this works first, even though there might be a infinity kind of a feel. This is just for like testing. Manish, can you send a message, bro? Manish, let me try sending it one in from my own YouTube. I hope this works. If not, it's too sad. Okay, I'm going to send it now. GIF cat. I did send it. Hope that worked. I don't know if it didn't. Someone liked my stream, so thanks for that like. But where is the GIF, man? It's not working. I don't see the GIF for some reason. Oh, 1 second. Maybe I have to restart my overlays. Okay, GIFs is definitely there, bro. GIF is there. I will see what it can be doing it now. GIF, GIF, check. Does it have an error which I might have to debug? So let's first stop this bullshit. Okay. I Whoever liked my stream, thank you so much. But for some reason, I'm not seeing. I think it's failing, man. For sure, for sure, it's failing. Let's see that. It's crashing. The application is crashing, which is a bit of sad, but that's okay. I'm stopping the service and then doing a manual alerts. This way we can clearly see what's happening. And also, I'm almost past 12, so I'll just save it and save game. Main. I'll just like save, auto save, something like that, and then quit. So that I'll stop the game and it's playing a music in the background. Okay. What's happening if I do GIF? Okay, there you see. Oh, the payload structure changed. It's no longer tenor anymore. It's the okay. That's the reason this bot is not working. Okay, let's see what can be done. Right, come on. I'll keep that open. Just do not use any gifs command and crash my machine. So the structure has changed. Definitely responsive close and okay, we might need to use some AI and clear text and make URL friendly. Okay, it looks like we need to do some processing here. But where am I getting this get GIF URL? Bro, stop that happy. I'm sorry. That's basically the hint that my server is turned on. Whenever someone likes, that animation comes up. But also, in order for me to know if my server is actually turned on, I just trigger that to see whether if things are working fine or not. But that should be fixed now. Just do not trigger GIF commands. If you do that, the application. Oh, now I genuinely got a like. So the like count has increased. Whoever liked my stream, thank you so much. But let's see what can be done here. So for this to work, I might need to first test this function. What I'm going to do is we need a. Can we run something like this? ls cd alerts ls cd utils ls go run tenor.go. Can I run this? Okay, looks like I might need a So let's create like a temp and we'll, oh, this is a directory, bro. Go. Looks like we need a new folder, temp, and inside that I'll have main.go, cd temp go run main.go. Okay, no package.form. So go init. No, go init main. Hey, what is a command? Install list. What? There should be a command for init, man. It's been a while. Okay. Do I really need that all? I think I just need package.main and we'll need to say something like there should be a main function. Print, oh no, fmt dot print ln is working. Go run main.go. I hope it works. This is working. Okay, now let's just copy the tenor code and paste it here. Okay, what are the things we don't need? Do I need just need to get this function? This is the main function. So what I'm going to do is we might need to place it on the top. Let's not do go dumps for now. Instead of that, we can just do print mp.println best webm, and I'm going to just keep it as it is for now, and then main get URL, and I'm going to say excited. Okay. If let's get an URL something this return true, I'm going to print mp.println. Is it going to be URL? I think that's the one. Oh, that's a different URL. What? Oh, yes. Okay. Cool. Let's run this and see what happens. Definitely, we are going to get an error. Yeah, interface is null, but where is it? Line dot 40. So this is where it has the issues. So print ln, no, fmt.println. We are going to print data. I think that's the one which is being printed. Yes. Oh, oh, this is too bad. Is there any shortcut on how to? We definitely need that. We definitely need that go dump, bro. This is a very good project. But I forgot how to install the go dump. But go dump dot dump data. Okay. I forgot how to install it. Install a package, something like that. How to install a package should be go install GitHub link. Okay. sort of model. Oh, come on. fmp dot println. But this is going to be tough. Oh, we have AI, right? Let's just get it with AI. Like, okay, this is what I'm getting. Update. Okay, where is ChatGPT? Oh, I do not have ChatGPT. Use anti-gravity. I did use it, but I have the paid version of Codex, but I guess I'm not seeing that here. Codex install. This might take some time. What is the structure here? This looks like. Hey, scroll up. This is a map of current page, and then another map. Oh, it's going to be a nightmare to make a data type for this one. AIs are pretty good at this, but I don't see that. Where is it? AI. Oh, now it's here. Okay. Yeah, bro. Next. Okay, and then paste it. Update this Java dev roadmap. I am not really that great of a Java dev myself. I did learn Java, but I'm no longer using anything with Java. We do have Java code, but that's like legacy, and we are writing everything in Python and AWS compatible. We are not doing any Java, bro. I would just suggest go with Rust, man. Rust or some other language. But if you want to go with MNCs and enterprise, then Java is still Java, Python, Azure or AWS. That should be fine. But I don't know. But if I'm obviously trying to learn Java right now, it's mostly about the packages and tools. If you're obviously full stack, then there is Spring and Spring Boot, there is core Java, there is dependency injection, and there is Maven and what do you call it? Build types. Kind of forgot the basics. But those are the few. Looks like it has updated. Let's see. Oh, where is the URL, bro? Oh, it just returned it. Cool. Yeah. Sorry for not being helpful, man. I just don't want to, waste your time by just. How is that excited? Oh, okay. Okay, this might take some time. Open, please. Okay, this is fine. Okay, I'm just going to update this function and place it in our this one. And if you guys forget, we need to. What happened? Why there is an error? Oh, add query. Okay, if that's fine, then that's fine. Okay. Let's also run the command again. Build alerts. Okay, we definitely has build, and we need to update this and then press this. Tenor data structure fix. No. What is that? Clippy? Clippy is the one. Commit. I hope this is the last thing we have to fix. And inside this one, okay, the server is going to be turned off. Do it as quickly as possible. Pull, and then we just need to do. Come on, come on, come on, pull faster, bro. Already up to date? Oh, I did not push it. Git 101. Okay, okay, pull the changes. Pull the changes. It's almost done. Almost done. Almost done. Almost done. Ah, I just did like one file change and it takes this long. Come on, fast. Bring a fast forward. Okay, ls cd alerts, and then ls. It's stuck. Okay, gmod plus x alerts dot. Oh no, just alert, and we are going to run. Now you can do happy happy. Yes, it's going to do happy happy. Okay, we have the gifs now. Let's try to do it. Wait for everything to be loaded. Is it working or is it not working? AI debug skipped AI routing for. Okay, that's not needed, I guess. Do you guys see the GIF? I don't see the GIF for some reason. Probably I might need to like refresh the overlays. So give me 1 minute. Come on, it needs to update. Okay, I'm just going to turn off the overlays and turn them back on so that it refresh everything's. Try now. Let's see. Please. Oh yeah, you obviously need to. Okay, it's working. It's working. It's working. It's working. Okay. Oh, did I hardcode it as cat for some reason? No, car. Okay. Let's also record a video so that the like, production, what do you call it, the clippy people can see. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the chat window here. But first, in order to record, I might need to change few settings. Guess I can't do that, so that's fine. All right. Let's give us a quick demo for the clippy people that yeah, this is how it works when a viewer gets GIF car, it posts car. I'll also try some a bit more other GIFs to be creative, I believe. GIF, what should I do? Food. Say so clippy people who are watching this, this is the use case I have. So hope you approve my API keys or application, whatever. Thank you. Okay, we are done. We are done. Thanks for your time, bro, Manish. Oh, do we have sounds for GIF? I don't think we have sounds. I actually tried putting sounds, but GIF, as in like the technology itself, doesn't have sounds. So I don't know. I can put like a chime, ka-ching. Which is what I had previously, but uh, it might be a bit annoying when too many people use GIFs at the same time. Let's see what are the stats today. Congratulations. I like the GIFs thing, bro. I don't know why you guys don't use it, but this is awesome. And it's mostly wanted. Wanted has used it like for like 3 GIFs for now. I'm going to close this. Not needed anymore. Very cool. I like it. I like it too. I would be very, interested if any other like YouTube streamer would do this. So okay, uh, yes. If you guys are also like Telugu people, just try to subscribe for my other channel. I might need to update my homepage to include that other YouTube channel, and also I need to congratulate. Why are copy pasting the same GIF, man? Let's try being creative for a bit. So GIF. Is it's like Twitch on steroids? I mean, YouTube doesn't have any of these feature sets. So, and again, I'm not using any YouTube API. Everything is free, thanks to obviously Clippy. టింగ్ 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 టింగ్. హే మనీష్, కార్ కొన్నా తెలుసా? ఓ నీకు తెలుసులే, నువ్వు ఆల్రెడీ కమెంట్ పెట్టావు కదా. నైస్. నా కార్లో ఇది కూడా పెట్టావా, teslablivingvein.com. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ రికార్డ్ అవుద్ది అన్నట్టు టెస్లాలో, ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళాం అవన్నీ. కొంచెం పర్సనల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఉంటుంది. ఒక్కసారి లాగిన్ చేసి చూస్తా. ఎస్. సో లైక్ ఎంత పర్సంటేజ్ ఉంది, ఇది డాకర్లో నడుస్తుంది అనమాట. నా కార్ ఎవ్రీ లైక్ కెప్టెన్ అమెరికా, యా బాయ్. ఏయ్ ఈడెందుకు వచ్చిండు, మన కెప్టెన్ మేబీ స్టీవ్ రాజర్ అని పెట్టాలి నేను. ప్రతి డీటెయిల్ ఎంత ఉంది అన్నీ తెలుస్తాయి, లైక్ ఎనీ మైల్స్, టోటల్ డిస్టెన్స్ ట్రావెల్. వెరీ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్. న్యూ కెప్టెన్ అమెరికా బాకే. ఇంపార్టెంట్, ఇదెందుకు పోయింది? 86 పీపుల్ చూసిరా ఇది. వెరీ నైస్, వెరీ నైస్. సో ఒక పీసీ పిక్ మంచిది పెట్టుకోవాలనుకుంటా. Jan 17, 2026. It's still the same except I don't have this monitor. I'm using just 3 monitors now because I have to give this one to a friend. How many words can it handle? Huh? Uh, 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 you can also try, there are other commands also, bro. You can try these commands. Speak is done Spider-Man. It is expensive, but you can try it. You guys have tried GIFs, key points, Discord, setup, Insta. I'm planning to put more commands like Spider-Man. At least we have GIF. Try Spider-Man. I like it. It does have sound as well. Not GIF Spider-Man, just general Spider-Man. That is like this favorite command for Jagdeep. Oh, it's 12:20, bro. I didn't really see the time. Oh, did I? I think I have manually started the server. I might need to do a sudo system. I knew Wanted was going to try GIF Spider-Man. That's not what I asked. I wanted to try exclamation Spider-Man, not the GIF Spider-Man. Flashpoint. That's how the GIFs command would work, bro. Interesting, isn't it? I might need to install this local send on my PC. 1 second. Local send. How to download for Windows. It gave SVSC because I did ask for SVSC, bro. That's why. Hey, where did the Spider-Man command go? Oh, you need what? You need 100 points. Yes. How many points do you have, bro? I mean, I don't think you would have 100, but thanks for the like. Show my face. Whoever liked my stream, thank you so much, bro. I hope you get more FPS in the games you play and faster internet, less ping. Back to gaming. I don't think any GIFs command would clash because we have a queue system where each one would be executed after one by one. So I don't think it should like have any issue with that one. You're not running from an elevated. Bro, it's morning 9:51, not 12:20. Bro, I'm here, bro. నేను ఇక్కడ ఉన్నా. ఇక్కడ. ఇంతకు మించి జూమ్ చేస్తే బాగోదు అందుకనే. మీరు నాకు తెలిసి జుప్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నట్రు. ఓకే. అందుకని టైం ఆడ పెట్టినా ఆయన అందరూ అదే నువ్వు టైం తప్పు పెట్టినావంటారు. నేను తప్పు పెట్టలేరా, నాది కరెక్టే పెట్టిన. ఇది ఇన్స్టాల్ అవ్వలేదా ఇంకా టెర్మినల్? ఇవన్నీ చేయాలా? ఓకే. ఆల్ నేను చేసేది ఏంటి, లోకల్ సెండేగా అని అడుగుతుంది ఏంటిది. ఓకే, ఇట్స్ ఇన్స్టాలింగ్. లెట్స్ రిమూవ్ బాట్ అవసరం లేదు. ఇది క్లోజ్ చేస్తున్నా. రాస్బెర్రీ పై ఉండని ఇది క్లోజ్ చేస్తున్నా. ఓకే, లోకల్ సెండ్. హే, ఇట్స్ వర్కింగ్ బాయ్స్. Clever mushrooms and receive. Yeah, everything's good. Okay, people, I'll see you in the next stream. Until then, be happy, be kind, be smart, be creative. Cool. Bye bye. Thanks for joining the streams, guys. Respect. Oh, the reason it's showing. Okay. Now I understand. The reason it's showing the time, that should be fixed now. Yes. There is a small trick where I have to turn on a thing to debug what's happening with the GIF commands. I forgot to turn it off. I just turned it off, but now onwards you won't be seeing the previous GIF which keeps running. That should fix it. Okay. Cool. I'm going to turn off the bot and then turn it on manually. Something like this. Once I do that, I don't have to keep this terminal open. That bot is going to be kept alive even in the background. All right, people, I'll see you in the next stream. Until then, see you.